If you're trying to choose between Thrive Architect and Builderall for building landing pages, you're likely wondering which one is the best option for your business. While both are highly rated and widely used, in this video, I'll break down the key differences between Thrive Architect and Builderall so you can make the best decision based on your needs. Let's start with Thrive Architect. Thrive Architect is primarily a WordPress plugin, which means it integrates seamlessly with WordPress sites. This is great for people who already have a WordPress site or are planning to use WordPress long-term. It's got a solid, intuitive drag-and-drop editor, making it easy to design beautiful, custom landing pages without needing any coding skills. The design flexibility is a big selling point here. You can easily customize templates or start from scratch with full control over the layout. Next thing, one of the standout features of Thrive Architect is its conversion-focused tools. Thrive's landing page templates are built with conversions in mind, and it includes elements like countdown timers, lead generation forms, and buttons designed to encourage clicks and signups. It's clear that Thrive Architect is designed for marketers who want to optimize their landing pages for conversions. However, it does come with some downsides. First, it's only available for WordPress, so if you're not using WordPress, Thrive Architect is not an option for you. Second, while the editor is user-friendly, some users may find it lacks advanced features that could be useful for highly complex landing page designs. Additionally, it doesn't offer a built-in hosting solution, so you'll need to handle your own hosting setup separately. Now, let's talk about Builderall. Builderall is an all-in-one platform that covers everything from landing pages to email marketing and even automation. One of the big perks of Builderall is that it's a complete suite of tools, which means you don't need to buy separate services for things like email marketing, website builders, and sales funnels. Builderall also has a drag-and-drop landing page builder that's relatively easy to use, but compared to Thrive Architect, it's not as polished or intuitive. The user interface feels a bit clunky, and some features may require more time to get used to. The fourth thing I'd mention is the pricing model. Builderall is a subscription-based service, and while the entry-level price is affordable, its pricing tiers can get a bit confusing and might not be as cost-effective for smaller businesses or those who only need landing pages. It does offer a lot of features, but if you're just looking for a landing page builder, you might find yourself paying for a lot of extras you don't need. Let's dive into performance. Thrive Architect tends to offer faster load times on landing pages, as it's built for WordPress and doesn't have the overhead of a multi-tool platform like Builderall. Page speed is a big factor when it comes to conversions, and Thrive Architect is ahead in this area. On the flip side, Builderall is not just a landing page builder, it's a whole ecosystem. If you're looking for something beyond just landing pages, Builderall may offer more value in that department. However, if you're only after a powerful, dedicated landing page tool, Builderall's multifunctional approach can be a bit overkill. The sixth thing to consider is customer support. Thrive Architect has a reputation for good customer support, especially within the WordPress community. Builderall, on the other hand, has had mixed reviews about its support team. While they do offer a variety of resources, some users report slower response times or less helpful assistance. So which one is the best? If you're looking for a straightforward, easy-to-use landing page builder with a focus on conversions, Thrive Architect is a fantastic choice, especially if you're already on WordPress. But if you're after an all-in-one solution that can also handle email marketing, sales funnels, and automation, Builderall might be the better fit for you. However, after trying both Thrive Architect and Builderall myself, I found that there's a better alternative out there for creating landing pages that work seamlessly and are incredibly effective. If you want to take advantage of the best free trial for this tool, which is designed to help you achieve the goal of building high-converting landing pages, make sure to click the first link in the description. You'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. In summary, while Thrive Architect and Builderall each have their strengths, if you want a smoother, more focused landing page experience, the alternative I've mentioned in the link below could be the right tool for you.